Hey guys, I meant to do this video a week or two ago and I've just been so swamped that I forgot, so I'm finally getting around to it. Also, this is a dual upload going up on the UW Gear channel and the Alpha Charlie channel. So, without further ado, the Stuck Pig Medical Bleeder Pouch Contents Kit, they have them in. I will put a link to them in the description box below. Now again, these are kits that my buddy MechMedic over at Stuck Pig Medical put together specifically to fit my bleeder pouches that I make. They will also fit in similar sized bleeder pouches from other brands, other companies. It is not an IFAK, okay? It is not an IFAK. This is just a bleeder kit. It's to stop traumatic bleeding real quick, okay? And again, this is just the contents. This does not include the pouch or anything like that. So, what you're going to get in the kit is a 4-inch North American Rescue emergency pressure bandage, a Hyphen twin compact chest seal, 2 packages of North American Rescue compressed gauze, a cat tourniquet, and a pair of the North American Rescue shears. Awesome shears, by the way. I love these. So, that's what you're going to get in the kit. Short, sweet, and simple. The way you would put it together, up to you. I like to take the shears, if I can hang on to them, and I just shove them into the MOLLE webbing behind the bleeder pouch. I've never had them come out and be a problem through many training classes. Take your pull tab and just kind of stuff it down in there. I like to put the chest seals up against the back. Then you can stick the pressure bandage in. Then shove your compressed gauze in. That'll all go in. Take the rest of your tab, fold that over. Pull that down, close her up, there you go. Take your tourniquet and just use some shock cord and hook it onto the webbing that's on the side of the bleeder pouch right there, or you can get something like this tourniquet pouch that fits in there and will mount right on the side. But either way, there you go. The only other thing that I would point out, and this is just something that I like to do, when you pull your strap and everything comes out, I don't like it all being loose, so I just get a plastic Ziploc bag and I put everything in the Ziploc baggie. That way, when I pull it out, it all comes out in one solid unit and it doesn't dump everything everywhere. I'm going to try to do this on camera, and I'll probably fudge it up just because I'm trying to do it on camera, because you know how that goes. Anyway, put it in there. Get all the air out so you don't have any excess air. Again, the bag's not doing much more than just keeping it all together. Right? So, got it all together. I put this part down just so it's all pointing that way. It's going to be a snug fit with the baggie. Especially, oops, you know what? I knew I'd do something wrong. Turn my gauze the wrong way. Got to orient your gauze the narrow way and not the long way. Derp. Anyway, we'll get it in there. Hang on, bear with me, guys. Ah! I dropped it. Don't go nowhere. That's what I get for trying to make this a quick video instead of just taking my time. Alright, now we've got it all back together. Let's try that one more time. I've got a little bit of air in the bag, but it'll come out. Hope y'all can see that on the camera. There. Now I can pull the flap down, tuck that under. And it's meant to be snug. You don't want everything flopping around everywhere. But then it'll fit in there, voila, just like that. And we can put our tourniquet in and you're good to go. So, I don't get a dime for these. These are strictly to try to help out my buddy Mech Medic and him helping y'all out by giving you a kit that specifically fits the bleeder pouch. He has also got full IFAK kits for your IFAK, which you should also have one of in addition to the bleeder pouch, redundancy. And there you go. Again, I'll put a link in the description box over to these where you can order them. Y'all show them some love. Take care, be safe, get out there and train. I'll see you later.